Hello friends, my name is Bahroz. I'm a finance executive by profession and welcome to my channel where I share with you how you can go about achieving career and financial success. Now this video is actually a teaser video where I am sharing part of my video that I created on how you can go about acing the complete hiring process of Procter Gamble. Why do I have command on this subject is because I worked for Procter Gamble for around 11 years. I was a recruiter there. I was trained as an interviewer twice and I had multiple awards in my name with regards to being one of the best recruiters at Procter Gamble. Apart from that, even after Procter Gamble, I coach a lot of individuals who show up either on my channel or my LinkedIn profile with regards to how they can go about acing P&G's interview. In case you are interested in also getting a one-to-one live coaching session from me, you can book that session with me using the link that I will leave in the description of this video. So I coach a lot of individuals, help them ace the P&G hiring process. So that's why I kind of have good command on this particular subject. Now in this particular video, which has almost gathered 100,000 views, was one of the first videos that I created on the P&G hiring process, and it really added a lot of value for different individuals. Now going forward, what I'm doing is that I will make this video only accessible for the members only of my YouTube channel. I am at a journey in my content creation where I want to develop a community, and for me to develop a community, this is one of the steps where I'm making some of the content only available to my community members. So in case you're interested in this particular video or other similar videos on P&G interview process, P&G hiring process, then I would appreciate if you also become a member to this particular channel. Now in case you don't want to become a member to my channel, in that case as well, it is completely fine because there is still a lot of content that is available on my channel with regards to how you can go about training and preparing for P&G interviews. However, it would be beneficial that you get access to these videos as well, and it will kind of take your preparation to the next level. However, you can still prepare well using the content which is already available on my channel. Now for this particular video, I will be only sharing with you part of that video just for you to have an idea as to what did I cover in that particular video. In that particular video, what I covered is what is that P&G is looking for. What are those characteristics that P&G is looking for? Now we know that P&G is looking for those 5 peak performance factors. So I explained what those 5 peak performance factors are. And even in those 5 peak performance factors, what does P&G mean by each of those factors? It could mean many things like leadership. What does leadership mean? They're looking for someone who understands external information, who understands internal information, who can analyze data, who can analyze information, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of details even within the peak performance factors for you to grasp and internalize what each of the peak performance factor means. It is only once you understand those peak performance factors completely that you will be able to ace the peak performance test, the online test, and more importantly, the P&G interview. As I always say, it is not important to know what questions will be asked. It is important for you to know what answers will you give. And the answers that you should be giving should cover all these factors that P&G is looking for. Now, towards the end of this video, that is after I've shared with you the teaser and the trailer of the original video, I will also share with you the comments that I received on this video, just for you to have an idea as to what kind of value this video added for different individuals who are coming on my channel and how did they make use of this video. So again, for you to make a conscious decision if you want access to this video or not. Hello and welcome to my channel where we talk about how you can be your best version and live your best life. Now in this video, I will talk about the recruitment process of Procter Gamble and will share with you the tips and tricks that you can use in order to ace the process. My name is Bahroz. I'm a finance executive by profession and a personal development and growth coach by passion. In this video, I will cover the following parts. First, I will talk about my credentials as to why do I have command on this subject and how this video will help you ace the recruitment process. Second, I will talk about the Procter Gamble's recruitment philosophy. Third, I will talk about the criteria that Procter Gamble uses in order to measure and qualify the successful candidates. Fourth, I will talk about in detail the recruitment process, which essentially has 2 parts, the online assessment and the interview process, and also how to prepare for both process. And lastly, I will talk about how you will be graded for your interview. Now feel free to jump across the timeline in this video to whichever part which is most relevant to you. Now, before moving forward, in case you like the video, don't shy away from pressing the like button and also subscribe to the channel so you get notified as soon as I put a new content on this channel. Now let's get moving with the subject. Now starting with my credentials, I worked for Procter Gamble for 11 years and throughout my time in Procter Gamble, I had the fastest growth path. and had the honors of enjoying the fastest career growth, so much so that I was one of the youngest most country CFOs in the recent history of Procter Gamble. I have worked across the globe with Procter Gamble on various assignments and have been trained twice by Procter Gamble on the recruitment process. I have conducted more than 500 interviews and have received Best Interviewer Award and recognition in different. Thank you for watching this video. In case you found this video valuable, I'm sure you'll find many other videos valuable on my channel where I have a complete playlist of P&G hiring process, interviews, tests, and different other questions that I get asked a lot. And every time I get a question asked, I kind of make a video on it. So I highly recommend you go through the entire playlist if you are preparing for the P&G test. Thank you guys.